Good afternoon. Today's topic is relation and function. So let's start. First exercise, relation. Question number 2. Question number 1 already done. So exercise 1.1, question number 2. So question number 2 is, show that the relation R in the set R. So that the relation R in the set R. Set R means set of real numbers. Of real numbers defined as R equal to A comma B such that A less than equal to B square. So condition is A less than equal to B square. A and B are any two element of R, is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. Okay, so A less than equal to B square. So first reflexive, you see it is reflexive or not. So we know reflexive means you have to show A comma A belongs to R. Same element A comma A in general, and in particular case 1 comma 1 or 2 comma 2 or 3 comma 3 if belongs to R, then it is reflexive. Now in this question, set of real numbers. So from set of real numbers, take any element and test it is reflexive or not. So first we are taking the number 1 by 2, that is half. So
So, which number question?
question number 2, 1.1 exercise. Show that the relation R in the set R of real numbers defined as R equal to A comma B such that A less than equal to B square is neither reflexive nor symmetric nor transitive. So take any element that is 1 by 2 belongs to R. Question number 2. Let 1 by 2 belongs to R, or you can say consider. So let 1 by 2 belongs to R. So 1 by 2 belongs to R. Now 1 by 2 belongs to R. So half comma half, it is belongs to R or not belongs to R. Therefore one by 2 comma 1 by 2, this not belongs to R because this not belongs to R. Why not belongs to R? Because condition is not satisfied. 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2 square, it is not possible. 1 by 2 is not less than equal to 1 by 2 whole square, because because 1 by 2 not less than equal to 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 not less than equal to 1 by 2 square. This is not less than equal to. Okay. See, we are taking one element half. Half is real number, so we can take. So half comma half not belongs to R. Why not belongs to R? Because the condition A less than equal to B square, that is 1 by 2 not less than equal to 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. So compared to 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, which one bigger number? Hello? Compared to 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, which one bigger number? Hello? Hello? Yes.
Yes, sir.
1 by 2 and 1 by 4, which one bigger number?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. So it is not possible 1 by 2 less than equal to 1 by 2 whole square. Okay. So 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2 not belongs to R. So R is not reflexive. So R is not reflexive. Okay. Now, symmetric. It is symmetric or not? It is symmetric or not? So let one element, that is, let 2 comma 9 belongs to R, because 2 less than equal to 9 square, 2 less than equal to 81, it is possible. Then we can take, let 2 comma 9 belongs to R. Let 2 comma 9, this belongs to R. Since or because, so since 2 less than equal to 9 square, 2 less than equal to 9 square. Okay, this is correct. 2 comma 9 belongs to R. Since 2 less than equal to 9 square is 81. So 81 is greater than 2. It is possible. It is correct. So 2 comma 9 belongs to R. Now 9 comma 2, but 9 comma 2, it is belongs to R. 9 comma 2, 9 less than equal to 4, it is not possible. So it is not belongs to R. So 9 comma 2 not belongs to R. Okay, because 9 not less than equal to 2 square. Because 9 not less than equal to 2 square. 9 not less than equal to 4. It is not possible. So 2 comma 9 belongs to R is okay. But 9 comma 2 not belongs to R. Because 9 not less than equal to 2 square. So R is not symmetric. It is not symmetric. Symmetric relation is not satisfied. So R is not symmetric. So R is not symmetric. Okay? Reflexive.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now transitive or not? Now check it is transitive or not. So transitive, we know for transitive need 3 elements. A, B, C, 3 elements in general, because if A, B belongs to R, B, C belongs to R, then A, C belongs to R. Then you can say it is transitive. So consider 3 elements, 2, minus 2 and 1. Consider Consider 3 elements, 2, minus 2 and 1. 2, minus 2, 1. These 3 elements you take. Now first, it is clear 2 less than equal to minus 2 whole square. So clearly 2 less than equal to minus 2 whole square. It is true. 2 less than equal to minus 2 whole square means 4. So 2 less than equal to 4, it's okay. And minus 2 less than equal to 1 square. Minus 2 less than equal to 1 square. This is also correct, because minus 2 less than equal to 1. Minus 2 negative, positive number 1, it is bigger. So AB satisfied. AB, that is 2 minus 2, and BC also minus 2 1 also satisfied the relation. Now first and third, that is 2 and 1. But 2 less than equal to 1 square is not true. 2 less than equal to 1 square is not true. See, clear? 2 less than equal to 1 square, 2 less than equal to 1. 1 square means 1. So out of 1 and 2, we know 2 is bigger number. So it is not possible 1 is bigger than 2. So 2 less than equal to 1 square is not true. Okay. So 2 comma minus 2 belongs to R. 2 comma minus 2, this belongs to R, and minus 2 comma 1 and minus 2 comma 1, this belongs to R, this belongs to R. 2 comma minus 2 belongs to R, minus 2 comma 1 belongs to R, but 2 comma 1 is not belongs to R, is not belongs to R, is not belongs to R, so R is not transitive. Hence R is not transitive. Hence R is not transitive. Is okay? It is clear? Understand? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Clear? Reflexive? then symmetric, then transitive. So neither reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. So we can say R is not equivalence relation. If all three are, that means reflexive, symmetric and transitive, all three are satisfied, then we can say it is equivalence relation. So we can say here R is not equivalence relation. Okay. Next question number 4. This type questions important. 4 marks question. Question number 4. Question number 4 is, show that the relation R in R, real numbers, defined as R equal to A comma B such that A less than equal to B. Condition is A less than equal to B is reflexive and transitive but not symmetric. So you have to prove this. It is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. So we know for reflexivity both are same element A comma A. From definition we know A comma A. So let B equal to A. Let B equal to A. So then, or this imply A less than equal to A less than equal to A, because of condition is A less than equal to B, and this imply A comma A belongs to R. See, so we are taking same element. A and B are general, means any element we can take because of real number. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. So A less than equal to A in general. So that means A comma A belongs to R. So it is reflexive. So R is therefore R is reflexive. So R is reflexive. Now symmetric or not. So take particular elements. Okay, let 4 and 5, because 4 less than equal to 5 we know, so we can take. So 4 comma 5, this belongs to R, because 4 less than equal to 5, 4 less than equal to 5. It is correct. 4 less than 5, 5 is greater than 4. So we can say 4 comma 5 belongs to R, and 4 and 5, these two elements is present in real number. Question is real number set, so we can take 4 and 5. So 4 comma 5 belongs to R because 4 less than equal to 5. So condition satisfied, but 5 comma 4 is not belongs to R. 5,4 not belongs to R. 5,4 not belongs to R because 5 less than equal to 4 is not true. Since since 5 less than equal to 4 is not true. Is not true. 5 less than equal to 4 is not true because we know 5 is greater than 4. It is not possible 4 is greater than 5. Okay. So 4,5 belongs to R, it is okay, but 5,4 not belongs to R. So we can say now R is not symmetric. So R is not symmetric. Okay, clear? Reflexive and symmetric. Hello? Hello? It is clear, reflexive and symmetric. Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
now transitive. One more. It is transitive or not? So, transitive need 3 elements. So in general ABC. So let A comma B belongs to R. Let A comma B belongs to R. A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. Another 2 elements B and C, and B comma C B comma C belongs to R. Let A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. So these imply A comma B belongs to R means A less than equal to B. A because of condition A less than equal to B, and B comma C belongs to R means B less than equal to C because of condition. So from A less than equal to B, then B less than equal to C. That means we can say no, A less than equal to C. This means A less than equal to C. Out of ABC, say A is less than B, then B is less than C. So now we can say compared to these two, A less than equal to C. That means imply A comma C. This imply A comma C belongs to R. A comma C belongs to R. So A comma B belongs to R, B comma C belongs to R, then we get A comma C belongs to R. So now we can say R is transitive relation. R is transitive. So hence R is transitive. R is transitive relation. So R is transitive, R is reflexive, but not symmetric. So this is our question. Question was, it is reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. So it is proved. It is reflexive, transitive, but not symmetric. Okay? You understand this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.